The ASS Opti Fix pipe weld purging system by Holzer ASS is used for medium to large pipe diameters. It covers a diameter range from 98 to 320 millimeters. The system was developed with the goal of offering simple handling, short setup times, and reliable results across various pipe sizes. A key feature of the ASS Opti Fix system is its bonded overall construction. Unlike modular kit systems, individual components do not need to be reassembled or adjusted before each use. Most components are permanently connected, significantly reducing assembly time. At the same time, the design allows for quick replacement of the sealing lips without dismantling the entire system. The OptiFix version was designed as a rigid system. This design ensures controlled and even gas distribution and is particularly suitable for straight pipe joints without complex routing. A central element of the design is the pipe purging chamber during use. The purge gas is introduced into the chamber and flows out on the gas outlet side. Integrated sintered metal inserts slow down the gas flow and ensure that the purging gas is evenly distributed within the oxygen-free pipe purging chamber. This results in efficient displacement of oxygen. Triple lip sealing discs ensure a secure hold within the pipe. These sealing lips not only provide a reliable seal, but also deliver high stability, even in pipe bends or complex pipe routes.